Today, we're looking at the 4K 3-channel dashcam with built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. It's packed with features like STARVIS to super night vision, 24-hour parking mode, and a 64GB memory card. This dashcam offers full protection for your vehicle, capturing every angle front, rear, and inside with crystal clear 4K quality. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, this device ensures that every moment is recorded in exceptional detail. Let's dive into what makes this dashcam stand out. First, let's talk about its 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p triple camera system. Using the latest Sony STARVIS to sensor and HDR technology, this dashcam captures detailed footage even in low light. The front camera records in 4K, while the interior and rear cameras shoot in 1080p. You can see everything from road signs to license plates with remarkable clarity. This dashcam also features 5G Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. The built-in GPS doesn't require an extra antenna, which makes installation simpler. With the companion app, you can view your footage, track your driving routes, and monitor speeds directly on your phone. Whether you use iOS or Android, the integration is seamless and user-friendly, making this a top choice for people who want convenience without clutter. Lastly, the 24-hour parking mode and G-sensor provide round-the-clock protection. In the event of a collision, the dashcam automatically locks and saves the video, ensuring you have proof when needed. Plus, the included 64GB memory card means you're ready to record right out of the box. With its easy installation, reliable features, and 1-year warranty, this dashcam is a powerful tool for any driver looking for security and peace of mind on the road. If you're looking for a high-performance dashcam with advanced features, the 4K 3-channel dashcam is a solid choice. Be sure to check out the product link in the description below.